Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be taking a day at the Carnival PBT, and it is going to be working with word problems. So I'm going to read the word problems to you, and you are going to pause the video and do them, and then play for the next problem. So for the first one, it says there were 54 people in line to buy cotton candy. 15 people got their food. How many people are still in line? So we know that there are 54 people in line and 15 left because they got their food. So we need to subtract the 15 from 54 to find how many people are still in line. So go ahead and pause this video and complete that problem. Number 2. It takes 355 tickets to win the large prize at the carnival. You already have 243 tickets. How many more tickets do you need? So we need to subtract the amount that we already have, which is 243, from 355. Pause this video and complete that problem. Number 3. You invited all 182 of your cousins to the carnival. Only 57 can come. How many cousins cannot come to the carnival? So we have 182 cousins that we can invite to the carnival, and only 57 of them can come. We're trying to figure out how many cannot come. So we need to subtract 57 from 182. So go ahead and pause this video to solve that problem. All right, number 4. There are 662 people in line for the Ferris wheel. 318 people get on. How many people are still in line? So we know that there are 662 people in line and that 318 people got out of line and got on the Ferris wheel. So we need to find out how many are left out of this total that are still in line. So to do that, we need to subtract 318 from our 662 to find out how many are left. Number 5. There are 52 tigers at the carnival. 17 tigers got sick. How many tigers are not sick? So we need to subtract the 17 tigers that got sick from the 52 total tigers. Pause this video and complete that problem. And our last problem is there are 748 seats in the big top. If 562 people are there, how many seats are left? So we have a total of 748 seats available in this big top ride, and that there are 562 seats taken. So how many are left? So we need to subtract our 562 from 748.